I did interview Maresca, their manager, when he was a young player at Sevilla, and he really struck me as someone with a good brain on him. It was just as Sevilla were having a decent season. Sevilla hadn't won anything for like 50 years before they started winning the Europa League every season. And I spoke to him, and like we all do, we speak to lots of footballers, and he struck me as someone, well, okay, I just came off the phone call thinking, he's a smart guy, him. And then he had a very good career as a player, and obviously he's done very well as a coach. But Pochettino's a good coach. You're on a booking Bronco at Chelsea, and I wouldn't be surprised if we took. This is Basil. Oh, finally. Going to Basil. How exciting.
Amazing, and hopefully we'll look after them.